Apple's AirPods Pro lineup has always been more than just another pair of wireless earbuds. Since the original AirPods Pro launched in late 2019, they've become the gold standard for premium audio on the go, combining impressive sound quality, industry-leading active noise cancellation ANC, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Fast forward to today, and the rumor mill is buzzing. 2025 could be the year we finally get the long-awaited AirPods Pro 3. While Apple has remained tight-lipped as usual, industry insiders, leaked patent filings, and credible analyst predictions are painting a clearer picture of what to expect from the next generation of Pro earbuds. From built-in health tracking to live translation features, this update could be Apple's boldest move in the personal audio space yet. If even half of these rumors are true, the AirPods Pro 3 might completely change the way we think about earbuds, not just as tools for listening to music, but as advanced wearable technology that fits in your pocket. Possible release date. When will AirPods Pro 3 launch? Apple's product launch patterns give us a few clues. The first AirPods Pro debuted in October 2019, while the AirPods Pro 2 arrived in September 2022. That's a 3-year gap, which would place the next major release squarely in 2025. According to multiple supply chain sources, Apple is currently targeting September 2025 for the AirPods Pro 3 reveal, potentially at the same event where the iPhone 17 lineup will be introduced. This makes sense, as Apple often uses its annual fall keynote to showcase both iPhones and complementary accessories, like AirPods, Apple Watch, and sometimes iPads. However, there's a twist. Well-known Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has hinted that production hurdles could push the launch into early 2026. These delays reportedly stem from integrating new health sensors into the compact earbud design, a far trickier engineering challenge than adding them to something like an Apple Watch. That means there are two likely scenarios. Scenario 1, full reveal in September 2025, shipping in late September or October. Scenario 2, preview in late 2025, but actual shipping starts in Q1 2026. Either way, if you're thinking about upgrading your AirPods, the safest move is to wait and see what Apple announces in the fall. Rumored AirPods Pro 3 features, what's coming next? Here's where things get really exciting. The AirPods Pro 3 are shaping up to be more than just an audio upgrade. They could become one of Apple's most advanced wearable devices to date. 1. Sleeker. Slimmer design reports suggest the AirPods Pro 3 will have a more compact form factor, with shorter stems and smaller earbud housings. The charging case may also shrink slightly while adding new functionality. One of the most intriguing rumors? A tiny touchscreen display on the charging case. Imagine controlling volume, playback, and even noise cancellation modes without touching your phone or watch. This could also show battery status, incoming call info, or even simple animations. From a style perspective, Apple might finally introduce more color options beyond the traditional white, something users have been requesting for years. Midnight, black, starlight, or even a titanium-style finish could help the AirPods Pro 3 stand out. 2. Next generation H3 chippables. Custom chips have always been the secret sauce behind the AirPods experience. The rumored H3 chip could be a game changer, delivering faster device switching between iPhone, iPad, and Mac, smarter active noise cancellation that adapts in real time to your environment, more natural transparency mode that feels like you're not wearing earbuds at all. Lower latency for gaming and video streaming, paired with improved Bluetooth connectivity, potentially Bluetooth 6.0. The H3 chip could mean faster pairing, longer range, and even higher quality audio streaming with less compression. 3. Built-in health sensors. This is where the AirPods Pro 3 could cross the line. From audio accessory to health wearable, rumors point to integrated heart rate monitoring and body temperature sensing. This would allow your AirPods to alert you if your heart rate spikes unexpectedly during a workout, track resting heart rate trends over time. Monitor your body temperature for signs of illness or recovery progress after exercise. Health data could sync seamlessly with the Health app on iPhone, giving you more context about your workouts and overall well-being without needing to wear an Apple Watch. 4. Live language translation. Imagine traveling abroad and speaking to someone in another language. Your AirPods Pro 3 could translate in real time and feed the translated audio directly into your ears. Apple already has the Translate app, but integrating this into AirPods could make conversations across language barriers as natural as possible. It could be a killer feature for tourists, business travelers, and global teams. 5. Improved durability and water resistance. With AirPods Pro 2 already have an IPX for water resistance rating, meaning they can handle sweat and light splashes. The Pro 3 could raise this to IP54 or even IP57, making them more resistant to dust and immersion. For runners, gym goers, and beach lovers, this would make the AirPods much more versatile and durable. 6. Better battery life thanks to the H3 chips. Efficiency improvements. Battery life could jump from 6 hours to around 8 hours on a single charge, with the case providing up to 40 hours total. And with faster charging speeds, possibly USB-C with MagSafe, you could get an hour of listening time from just a few minutes of charging. 7. Personalized audio with Apple is heavily investing in Apple Intelligence, its AI platform. The AirPods Pro 3 could use on-device AI too. Tailor sound profiles to your unique hearing. Predict when you'll want ANC on or off based on past habits. Automatically adjust volume based on surrounding noise levels. This could make your listening experience feel almost psychic, as if the AirPods always know exactly what you need. The competitive landscape. How AirPods Pro 3 stacks up by the time AirPods Pro 3 arrives. The wireless earbud market will be even more crowded. Competitors like Sony's WF-1000XM5, Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2, and Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro already offer fantastic sound and ANC. Apple's edge will be ecosystem integration. Features like seamless pairing, automatic device switching, and spatial audio for Apple TV Plus content that simply work better inside Apple's ecosystem. What about pricing? While nothing is confirmed, Apple has historically kept its Pro AirPods around the $249 mark. If new health sensors and live translation make it into the final product, we could see a small price bump to $279 or $299. However, with inflation and component cost, Apple might stick with the same price to remain competitive. Final thoughts. Should you wait for AirPods Pro 3? If you already own AirPods Pro 2 and they work perfectly, you might not need to upgrade immediately, unless the health tracking or translation features sound irresistible. But if you're still rocking the first-gen AirPods Pro, the jump to Pro 3 will likely feel massive. Better sound, longer battery life, smarter features, and possibly health tools that make them far more than just headphones. If the rumors are true, the AirPods Pro 3 could mark the moment Apple's earbuds become true wearable computers, small, powerful, and always with you.